Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to go live on YouTube using your PC in 2025. Let's get started. First, open your YouTube in your browser and make sure that you're signed into your account. Then here, click your profile icon in the top right and go to YouTube Studio. And once inside the YouTube Studio, click Create and select Go Live. And this will take you to the YouTube Live Control Room. If you haven't enabled a live streaming before, YouTube will ask you to request access and click Request. YouTube will now require your phone number for verification. Click Verify, then choose your country and enter your phone number. The YouTube will send a verification code. Just enter it to complete the process. And after verifying, return to the live page and click Request again if needed. YouTube may take up to 24 hours to activate live streaming for your account, and once approved, you'll be able to start streaming anytime from the Create and Go Live menu. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.